So hello everyone, I'm Emily Hughes, and as Natalie said, I work on the PIC-SURE platform specifically, which is the search and cohort building data discovery type tool that's available on Biodata Catalyst. So today specifically, I'll be talking about how you can export your specific selected cohort to an analysis platform to do further research. And we've built some tools that should make this process very streamlined and very easy for you. So I'll go through those steps. So step one is to create your cohort. So you can do this by navigating to PIC-SURE, which is the, as I said, the tool that's available on Biodata Catalyst. And here you're able to search phenotypes or clinical variables of interest. You can apply variable level filters on these variables. So say I'm interested in females with a BMI greater than 30 or so. You are able to actually search, find those variables, and apply those filters to select your participants or create your cohort. Once you've applied the variables or the filters that you're interested in, and fine-tuned your cohort to be what you wish to do your science on, you can then use the Select and Package Data tool and click Export to 7Bridges. And so here is a screenshot of what you'll see once you click that Export to 7Bridges button. It displays the two things that you'll need to do this. So the first is your personal PIC-SURE token. So this just says, I am who I am. I have access to these data sets and things like that. And then the second is actually the dataset ID. And so that's corresponding to the specific cohort that you've just created. So after you do that, you'll go ahead over to 7Bridges and set up your data export project. And so we have a publicly available version of this project. It's called, I believe, the Data Export from PIC-SURE UI project on 7Bridges. So you can make a copy of this public project to be in your own workspace so you can run it personally. Additionally, you'll copy over your PIC-SURE token that I mentioned earlier, that first thing that you'll need, into 7Bridges using secrets management. And these slides will be shared later, and so these links will be shared, and I'm sure Dave is putting these links in the chat. Here, you'll just simply add a new secret and copy the token into the secret field. And if you need access to this tool, I believe Dave will be able to give you access to this secrets management a tool on 7Bridges or feature. So just reach out to 7Bridges or Dave, and I'm sure they'd be happy to help you. Next, you'll go ahead and go over to the tasks section of your project that you've copied over. And here we've set it all up for you. So all you have to do is fill out the fields that are shown here. So this is a screenshot from that task. So you can see that you'll need to specify your token, which you will have put in the secrets management feature. You'll name what you want to name your output. So here you can see I've named it March Community Hours 2024 in that output file name field. And then you copy and paste your dataset ID from PIC-SURE. That's that second thing that you'll need from PIC-SURE. And so once you fill out these fields, you should be able to just run the task. And you will get in your project a CSV file that has your patient level information or your participant level information based on the filters you've applied and the variables you've added to export. So you can see here that I've selected or filtered on the tutorial dataset, one of our open source or publicly available datasets called the BioLink Framingham study. And you can see that I've filtered on age, how many cigarettes they've smoked per day, and whether they have diabetes or not. And so from here, you're able to start doing the 7Bridges tasks and doing the science. You're able to apply workflows, open this in a Jupyter notebook and start doing science there or whatever your heart desires.